Hey, this is Rich. The other day I answered the phone, and as soon as I said, "Hi, this is Rick speaking," this guy on the other line just started launching into a sales spiel. No asking, no nothing. And I'm all for talking to people, and I think that's great, but show a little respect if you're going to be calling on prospects. Don't just wait till somebody says something and then just launch into your spiel. It actually was so bad I got to the point where I couldn't get a word in edgewise, and I finally just went, "Shut up." And the reason was I had a call that was scheduled, and I just had assumed that this was the call. If you want to make a good impression with your prospect, if you're cold calling, do this first. When they answer, say, "Hey, am I catching you at a bad time?" Like, use their name. For example, if he was going to call me, "Hey, Rich, am I catching you at a bad time?" If I say yes, because it is a bad time, say, "No problem. I'll call you back in a day." Hang up. Done. No problem. I will appreciate the fact that you're respecting my time. If I say, "No, it's not a bad time," now go ahead and start talking to me. That's great. Or if I say, "Who's calling and what's this all about?" Assume that is I've got time, and you can again now start explaining. But don't just launch in, because all that this guy has done is made it to the point where he thinks that he's told me that his time is more important than mine, and that's not really a good way to start on a sales conversation. Use this any way you like. And if you like this, make sure you're subscribed and follow me. My name is Rick Buchert. I am with RailGun Results Marketing. Hope you have a great day.